Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a new video, and today I have the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. I have the box here and let's see how it is. It's been a month since it's launched and let's see how much improvement has been done in the software side and the optimization side. I will be telling why didn't I go for the S23 FE in discount and went for this phone in the end of the video, so stay tuned. So this is a typical Samsung box, no charger, nothing, only one wire they'll give. So yeah, unboxing experience, what do you expect? I just have this small box and the phone itself. So I'll open the phone afterwards. Of course, the main thing is the phone. So we have the SIM ejector tool here and it's pretty basic. It's nothing different. And what do we have? Mostly documentation and stuff. And yeah, we have the cable USB type C to C, and we don't get the adapter, so I got that too. This is a 25 watt adapter. You'll get this around 1.3 1.5k. So okay, this is a decent adapter, 25 watt. It'll charge your phone at around 1.5 hours. So back to the phone's unboxing. I told you we have some documentation, quick start guide. So who's gonna read this? So now we have the main thing, the phone itself, and it's nothing else. So it's in a paper packaging, so that's good, I guess. And the phone already feels premium and heavy also. Like it's made up of glass and metal, so of course it will be heavy. So there I take the phone out, and this color, damn, it looks nice. It comes in 3 colors, I guess navy blue, this is ice blue which I have, and also a pink I think, and I like this color so I just got this. So this phone weighs around 213 grams but isn't that heavy because of the sides. You get good grip, so yeah, you don't feel that weight of it. So on the back we have glass and 3 camera layout with a flash, and on the left side we have the buttons and it's a bit curved on the side, I think, to make it easier, and the side edges are a bit sharp, but I think you'll get used to it, and the case will of course make it better. At the top we have a SIM tray and a mic, and on the right we have a volume rocker and the power on off button. There's a speaker and 2 mics and a USB-C port at the bottom. The left is empty. I'm opening the SIM tray, so let's check what are the options. So this is a hybrid SIM slot, so we can put 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and 1 memory card, so that's actually good. You can increase your storage. So this phone comes with a 6.6 inch Super AMOLED plus 120Hz display which supports HDR10 plus and HDR content on Netflix and YouTube, and comes with a high brightness of 1000 nits, which is good enough in the outdoor. And this phone doesn't come with very thin bezels, but it has symmetrical bezel which makes it look good. Overall, this is a good Samsung display which gives good colors. Also, this phone comes with IP67 dust and waterproof rating. Coming to the software part, this phone comes with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. This is the OS, and it looks pretty decent. Comes with some basic options and then link to Windows, which is a good option. I've tried it, it works very well, very smooth, and other basic options which come in every phone. It also comes with some, I can't say bloatware, it's like few pre-installed apps like Spotify, Facebook, which you can delete. Also, it comes with some Samsung apps like Samsung Wallet, then My Files Recorder. So yeah, this is a separate folder for that. Also a separate folder for some apps from Google and Microsoft. So that's good. Overall, the OS is good, clean and useful. And coming to the performance of this phone, I'll show you the Antutu benchmark which I ran, and it showed 7,26,000 the score, and you can see the score here. And it didn't heat a lot, or it reduced like 3% of the battery, but the benchmark is a heavy benchmark, so I think it's well optimized for heating. So after a month, it's showing better settings on BGMI. It shows smooth 60 fps balanced, high HDR till 45 fps. So I think it'll still get updates because the 1380 is more capable too. So yeah, and the gaming performance, I have played a lot of BGMI on this phone, and BGMI is giving, like, the frames which I'm getting are not fluctuating a lot, they're at the point, and the phone didn't heat a lot. That's the best part. Also, battery drain is not that much. It is as like how much a normal phone would drain while gaming, so I guess it doesn't drain at a very high limit. So yeah, it's good. So guys, coming to the camera, it comes with a 50 megapixel main sensor, 5 megapixel macro and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Also comes with a 32 megapixel selfie. So I took some camera samples. This is the 50 megapixel main camera. This is the 5 megapixel macro, and it's a pretty usable sensor. And 13 megapixel ultra wide, which is also good. Also, it has good dynamic range, you can see in this picture, and it takes good portraits with good edge detection, and also has an option to increase the background blur. I've been using this phone for around 20-30 days, and I went to an IPL match. I will show you the pictures which I took. Also, I took some videos which I guess you can see too. The camera on this phone can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS and 1080p 60 FPS and 30 FPS. And this phone also has OIS. So the main reason I was telling about this IPL match and me going here and showing the samples is because of the battery. I took this phone at around 95%, and I went at 5:30 in the evening and came back at around 12:30 after the match. So I've continuously been using the camera in the match, during the match, mainly for videos and photos. So the battery percentage was at around 95 and it dropped to 40-45. The battery percentage dropping mainly in heavy camera usage, video usage, to 50% or 45% from 95 is actually good, I say, because I've used the phone for around 6 to 7 hours, I can say, continuously, that too, in very short intervals. So yeah, the battery is actually impressive in practical usage, I would say. Also, the camera, the focus is good in mainly in night time, since the stadium has a lot of light, so it generally cameras take some time to focus because of the light and the exposure. So yeah, it does a good job there. The video recording, the zoom was good. It is usable, the zoom, it has 10x zoom and it is pretty usable. And comparing to the S23 FE, guys, I didn't buy that phone instead of this. It had similar pricing. I think S23 FE was a bit more expensive than this, but that phone had due to the Android 14 One UI 6.1 update, it drained battery a lot more. Also, my old phone OnePlus 9RT, since it had faster charging, 65 watt, since as the time went, the battery life started to decrease a lot, and the battery would die a lot earlier than when I bought it new. So I think this has a better battery, optimized battery, and the life also will be better. Hence I bought this phone. And also the bezels in S23 FE are almost the same as this. So it's up to you guys. If you want a good built phone, this phone is actually good built. It's a bit on the heavier side since it's made up of aluminium and glass back. So for the people who want a gaming phone, I don't think this phone can satisfy your needs, because this phone is an overall package. It does good in every department. It does decent in gaming. But if you want a gaming phone, you can go for the OnePlus 12R or something, or any iQOO phone or something. So this is an overall phone if you want a phone to be good in everything: looks, camera, battery, etc. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'll be meeting you in another video. Thanks for watching.